As business analysts, we often find ourselves in this situation. Our clients may have some interesting features in mind, which would enhance the value of the product. We may decipher their requirements as something else, and our developers implement something that the clients may not have even thought of. Well, in today's video, I will be sharing a simple and effective technique to help you handle this situation better. My name is Fatima Suhair and I work as a business analyst at Adaptive US. In the last couple of videos, we learned how to draw use case diagram, data flow diagram, and class diagram. Today, let us take up an agile technique called behavior-driven development. Now, behavior-driven development is a great technique to make needs clear. It is designed to improve communication and understanding across all stakeholders. It helps in eradicating ambiguities from requirements and ensures that requirements are understood correctly by all members of the team before proceeding with development. Behavior-driven development also explains the behavior of the application, and they are more user-focused. It uses an example-based approach to clarify requirements. Now, examples are nothing but expressions of real-life business scenarios provided by stakeholders. Examples may also be known as scenarios. BDDs use a simple grammar format known as Gherkin, which allows scenarios to be filled into that syntax. So the Gherkin syntax looks something like this. Given a situation, when an event, then expected result. So let me show you an example of this technique for the project schedule management module of GRC Perfect, governance, risk and compliance management system developed for the IT and IT-enabled services domain to depict BDD. So here's the user story. As a project manager, I should be able to upload schedule details in the schedule management system of GRC Perfect by means of an Excel spreadsheet. So how do you use BDD here? So the syntax, as I explained earlier, is given a situation. So the situation here is I am logged into the schedule management system of GRC Perfect. When an event occurs, the event here is I upload the schedule data by means of an Excel. Then what is the expected result? So when I upload the schedule data by means of an Excel, my Excel file should get uploaded. You can also use AND to add more conditions. So I have added and it should display a message stating data uploaded successfully. And the most recent data should appear first in the project schedule management module. In the event of a failure, I mention another scenario like this. Given the Excel file did not get uploaded, when I upload schedule details by means of an incorrect Excel format, then an error message should be displayed stating data insertion unsuccessful due to incorrect Excel format. So you see, isn't that quite simple? Any business user can easily understand this and give you feedback on whether it actually meets their expectations on what the system should do. It can even lead to thinking of other scenarios that needs to be considered. The structure of BDD is such that it lends itself towards acceptance test automation and supports the production of effective test cases. Tools like Cucumber, SpecFlow, etc. support the use of BDD in projects. These tools will take examples in the Gherkin syntax and allow them to be easily converted into automated tests. Automation of examples enhances and speeds up agile analysis verification and validation activities. However, when you use this technique, make sure you don't miss out the various scenarios which can be associated with a user story. For complex business rules, it's ideal to use a tool to support, as there would be too many scenarios to manage and track. So the next time you find yourself in this situation, Do give this technique a shot. In my next video, I will discuss another technique called personas. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for more VA videos. Thank you.